Okay, so I'm in the stages of painting the final coat. Very exciting, and I'm doing this room first. Well, that's not true. I already finished a bedroom. I finished the big bedroom, but I'm gonna do this room next because I want to take up this floor so that I can experience the glory of the vaulted kitchen ceiling. So right now I'm just gonna get at painting this while I have enough daylight because there's no light in this room. TBD. And yeah, this is probably, taking out this floor is something I've been talking about for so long. I'm really excited to do it. So yay! Here we go. Buckets of rain, buckets of rain, it's raining buckets. Shell's a nice shell, it's a good sheen. I think that I wasn't even gonna drywall this room at first. I was gonna let it be like a little weird kid's room. And then I found out that there was no insulation behind the wood paneling. So then I got into doing this. And then I just got really excited about the idea of having a high ceiling in the kitchen and a little reading nook by this window. Which was also a bit of a compromise because I have a child who loves to read. And he imagined this as being his like little reading room. And it'll be a good nap spot too.
What happened to the house? I mean, yay! Like super yay. Oh my god.
These things.
Oh. Whoa. The windows! Oh,
Look at all
the window on the first day.
That's right.
Oh, and then that's where all the like, that was my joke about Theo and Miles, mom and dad.
We could still do that.
Is this gonna go?
Yeah,
Are
like
we gonna cathedral?
like tomorrow.
Keep the wood. Use the wood.
Oh,
Yeah,
that's a great wood.
it'll be.
Ah.
I told you when you first walked in, and this is nuts.
What is
Yeah.
that? Hi, baby.
Wow.
Hi,
Yeah.
baby girl. Are you in... oh my god, just a second. I have to fucking drink something.
Do you have a drink? You have a drink, Joe. You're good.
You should seal in the floor and leave it and color some cement to show how it was in walls.
Yeah.
Or just fill it in with wood.
That's not a bad
Wood, 'cause that
idea.
was- yeah, this is what it used to look like, but now it's this.
Oh, so wait, the strapping is... Did you put the strapping on?
No, that's from the ceiling tiles.
When they put the ceiling tiles on.
Yeah. Yeah.
Girl.
Love the lights.
The window is so good.
Yeah.
Honey.
And this calls for a selfie. Yeah. Let's
Yeah.
get a little bit of.
None of this.
This is a video, so what I'll do is I'll like pull, you know.
Oh, pull the best parts.
I'll pull the best parts. So, you know.
Wow.
Corduroy.
Yeah, there you go. If I had one down here, it could help down here too.
Should I leave a catwalk for?
Yeah, you could, yeah.
little board of the catwalk. It's a good thing I didn't put that glass chandelier in yet.
Ain't it? Watch the walls. Hello down there.
Yeah,
What you doing?
yeah, I am assisting.
I gotta film this part. This is so exciting. There's the new guy. Looking good.
Start out and then be through a window. Oh, I've already smashed my hoist to me.
Post is gone. There's a lot of blood, sweat, and tears in this house. Yeah, I get that. Check out my new beam. It looks so good. And then this post that was here before, gone. So the issue was that the beam didn't come far enough back to catch this beam, which is the load-bearing back of the house, old back of the house. So Robert came in today and he pushed this beam over to catch this beam, put in a post here and a post here and connected at this beam. And that allowed this post that used to be right here to be removed. Yay! So now it just feels like way more space in here and way more options without having a post there. Yay! Doesn't that look so good? So now it allows for so many more options just for furniture without having this big post that used to be like right here and totally in the way. So isn't that great? I love it. Robert is the best.